clouds have a way of turning. Even the rain into a love story. Some float in shy circles, like hearts half drawn in the sky. Others drift in long, gentle trails, as if carrying secret letters from the wind. When the rain falls, the colors bloom silver, gray, gold, like a watercolor painted just for two wanderers who happen to look up at the same time. And maybe that's the magic. Even in the storm, the clouds remind us that beauty comes in pairs. Light and shadow, distance and closeness, you and me. So let the clouds move, let the rain fall, because every journey feels a little more romantic when the sky decides to wander with us.